di ka nila maintindihan. So, don't expect them to fully understand what you're doing. Di nila maintindihan kasi hindi naman binigay ni Lord yung vision niya sa kanila, sa'yo binigay. Di nila maintindihan kasi yung dreams mo iba eh. Yung pangarap mo iba. Yung goals mo iba. Yung pinaglalaban mo iba. Yung upbringing mo iba. So don't expect them to understand what you're doing. Sabihin nila nagbago ka na. Sabihin nila hindi ka na sumasama. Sabihin nila maybe KJ ka na or boring ka na. But that's okay. Kasi you're not trying to live your life according to their standards. Iba yung binigay sa'yo na pangako ni Lord. Iba yung vision mo. Iba yung standards mo. So that's okay. So what you need to do now is keep going. Focus on what you're doing. Trying to lose weight, building a business, being a good provider for your family, loving your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, providing for your family, looking after your dogs, your pets. It doesn't matter. As long as you know where you're going, you know your standards, just stick to it. Hayaan mong di ka nila maintindihan. They are not as important as you thought. Yun lang. Peace.